Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nadia Amalia, a student of Urban and Regional Planning in Islamic University of Riau. Okay, now I would like to tell you about my presentation, and the topic is waste management in Pekanbaru. Hope you enjoy it. In a preliminary implementation of waste management is a public service domain where government is responsibility for ensuring provision of infrastructure and facilities for waste management. In implementation can involve third parties and community participation policies. This is hope that it can be minimized problem caused by waste environment and public health and turn waste into a resource. With this problem, the government took the law of the Republic of Indonesia number 18 of 2008 concerning waste management in Article 22 paragraph 1 describe waste handling activity including 5 points. At the first, sorting in from grouping and separating waste according to the type, quantity and nature of the waste. Second, collection in from collection and transfer waste from the waste source to a temporary shelter or integrated waste processing site. At the third, transfer in from carry waste from the source or from a temporary garbage collection site or from a processing facility to integrate head to the final processing area. 4. Processing in from change characteristic, composition, and amount of waste. And 5. Final waste processing in the form of returning waste or residue to reserve processing previously to environmental media safely. Policy about management garbage carried out by the government during this concept was effective. Waste management is still being carried out oriented on completion garbage disposal disease because it hasn't is their planning system professional waste management. Problem threats still not yet get attention in terms of policy compared to other problems in urban development and development. In addition, most people don't understand good waste management even though community participation is needed in the waste management system. So, that is if can run as expected, the garbage bank will be a real solution in waste management in Pekanbaru City. Now we will enter the part of theoretical framework, and I will explain about management theory. Every success of an activity program can be separate from a management. Management is a method used by many people in managing something so that it becomes orderly, directed, controlled, and more systematic. Likewise, with waste management, a management is needed starting from the place where the waste is located until the waste disposed of in the final landfill or TPA in Indonesia we call tempat pembuangan akhir. By using the concept of management as explained, that management means to take care, manage, how to control, and afford and lead. While the word management is etymologically art of implementing and managing. Definition of garbage. Garbage is something that is not desired by those who have and is solid. Meanwhile, in Law number 18 of 2008 about management trust, this is stated that waste is the remnant of human daily activities or natural process in the form of solid or semi-solid, in the form of biodegradable or non-biodegradable organic or inorganic substance. They make uses and disposed of into the environmental. Based on the above definition, it can understood that waste is from 5 points. First, garbage that can rot. Garbage requires management phase. Second, garbage that can rot refers consisting of plastic, metal, rubber, glass, and other. Third, garbage in the form of dust, ash left over from burning fuel or garbage. 4. Waste that is harmful to health and namely breathing. Waste is wasteful because of its natural quantity concentration or because of its chemical, physical, and microbiological property. 5. Risk danger known or that will come to health or environmental if it is not processed properly. Definition of waste management. Waste management or solid waste management is a complex problem that requires handling with technology and many scientific disciplines. Technology used include subtraction, trash from the source container, collection, transportation, processing, and disposal finally, where the whole process must be in accordance with applicable laws, social and environmental guidelines that protect public health, meet aesthetic value, and economically. For response, behalf of the public regarding waste and waste management in an integrated manner, the required principles include in administration, finance, law, architecture, urban planning, environmental science, and engineering. So I will explain about definition of waste bank. The waste bank is a strategy for implementing 3R, or reduce, reuse, or recycle, waste in management at communication level. The implementation of a waste bank is a principle of a social engineering to invite people to sort waste. And next, the real purpose of building a waste bank, not a bank trash that garbage bank, is a strategy to build people awareness so that they can make a friend with waste to get direct economy benefit from waste. So a waste bank cannot stand alone but must be integrated with the 3R, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Community are not only the people economy. Now we will entering the part of discussion, and I will explanation about waste condition in Pekanbaru. Regulation regarding waste management have also been regulated in Pekanbaru City. Regional Regulation Number 8 of 2014 concerning waste management, which is mandates that cleaning management is the responsibility of the regional government. Based on the regulation that I mentioned earlier, according to regulation, the waste problem has been regulated in such a way so that waste management can be carried out comprehensively from upstream to downstream. Waste management is a systematic, comprehensive, and sustainable activity which includes waste reduction and handling. Waste handling needs to be carried out comprehensively and in an integrated manner so that it provides economic benefit, is healthy for the community, and is safe for the environment, and it can be changed people's habits for the better. Waste management in Pekanbaru City through the 2016 Waste Bank program. And there is 5 regulation legislation related to waste management and the establishment of a waste bank. First, Constitution number 18 year 2008 about waste management. And the second, Government Regulation number 81 year 2012 about home waste management, litter and household light garbage. Third, Constitution number 2003 year 2009 about protection and management environment. 4. Minister of Environment Regulation Life number 13 year 2012 regarding implements guidelines reduce, reuse, and recycle sort the garbage bank. At the last, or the 5, Regulation Area City Pekanbaru number 8 of 2014 concerning waste management. So there is some inhibiting factor in waste. First, lack of socialization related to the waste bank program. The second, lack of budget in super program bank garbage. Third, lack of training technical related to the waste bank. 4. Inadequate garbage bank facility infrastructure. 5. Lane participant from the target of the waste bank program. And now we will enter in the last part. There is a conclusion and there is 2 points of conclusion. At the first, waste management through the waste bank program in Pekanbaru City in 2016 is still not implemented effectively and optimally. This can be seen from the lack of the participant public in implementation program bank garbage, as well still a lot pile trust the final processing or TPA in Indonesia called tempat pembuangan akhir. At the last, In waste management activity in Pekanbaru City, toward the bank program Garbek in 2016, there are several factors that become obstacles in implementation, including is the lack of socialization related to the waste bank program, the lack of budget to support the waste program, the lack of related technique training waste bank, and inadequate facility and introduction for the waste bank, as well as a lack of participants from the target of the waste bank program. Okay, I think enough for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.